Hello, in this video I want to show you all available screen off gestures on OPPO A2. To do this, first we'll need to open our settings, then scroll all the way down and access additional settings. Go for gesture and motions, go for screen off gestures. Here make sure that they are activated. Then let's cover this all of the gestures and motions on this list right here, and we'll cover more in the end of this video. So first is double tap to wake or turn off your screen, draw O to open camera, draw V to turn on and off flashlight, and also music control. Let's lock our device, double tap to wake it up, double tap again to turn it off, draw O to open camera, draw V to turn on flashlight, you can turn it off the same way. And now music control works like this: draw arrow to the right to play next track, draw arrow to the left to play previous track, draw pause button to play or pause music. Then let's move on to more. Here it is. Now we need to draw arrow up, M or W, and each of those options have different functions that we can assign by clicking on it. So for example, let's open photos with arrow up. Now we need to lock our device, draw arrow up, unlock our phone, and it should launch with this application. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.